guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 3 of July. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with my bills, electricity is getting $50. Okay, next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. So 20, 40, 5. Alright, onto my cash envelopes. Okay, so I do have some rollover money from last week. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dollars. So you guys already know these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar, and these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank. So as you guys can see, we do have an odd number, so we're gonna put $2 into Jaden's, $2 into Lenasia's, and I'm gonna keep this $1 in here for next week just in case we run into this issue again, because I don't want to put $3 into Jaden's and $2 into Lenasia because that's not fair. So I'm gonna leave it here for next week. Alright, so let me get her debit card and my keys. You guys, butterflies, everything. I'm gonna have the link for this in my description box below. So let's put in her debit card. Okay, now we're gonna deposit her $2. Alright, so her balance is at $4, and I'm gonna put her ATM to the side so I can bring Jaden's out. Okay, so now Jaden balance is at $4 as well. Okay guys, onto my cash envelopes. Okay, so starting off with groceries. Groceries is getting $140. So 100, 20, 40. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $40. 20, 40. Spending is getting $50. Beauty is getting $5. And last is giving, and giving is getting $5. Okay guys, onto my sinking funds. so starting off with my kids' savings first, Lanesia is getting $24. So let me take all her money out real quick. $22, $4. Okay, so Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 600, 750, 800, 50, 70, 90, 910, 915, 917, 919, 921, 923, 925. Okay, so Lanesia has $7,925. Okay, so I'm going to add her a debit card in as well. Okay, next is Jaden, and Jaden is getting $25. 25. Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 500, 600, 50, 700, 50, 70, 90, 810, 815, 820, 825. So Jaden has $7,825. Okay, next is family time, and family time is getting $20. $100, $200, $300, $50, $70, $90, $400. Alright, last is drip, and drip is getting 20. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, $10, $20, $30, $40. So I have $140 in drip. Alright guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, starting off with my cash emergency fund, that is getting $5. We have 1,000, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So $1,040. Alright, next is next is home emergency fund, and that is getting $170. 150, 70. Okay, so $10,000, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 11,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 750, 70, 90, 8, 10, 8, 30, 50, 70, 90, 9, 10, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70. Okay, so I have $11,970 in my home emergency fund. Next is my car emergency fund, and that is getting $5. 1,500, 600, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95. So we have $1,695. Next is health. Health is getting $10. 500, 600, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 710. So we have $710 in health. Okay guys, on to my scratch off challenge. So $50 from the gold and $135 from the diamond. So that's $185. So 50 from the gold and 135 from the diamond. So that's 185. That I will be stuffing in my home emergency fund next week. Okay guys, onto my pink binder. Okay, so starting off with Christmas. Christmas is getting $25. So 20 and a 5. 100, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have 425 in Christmas. Alright, next is back to school, and back to school is getting $40, and I did buy some school supplies already for Lanesia, so I will be taking that out in my update second funds video. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 50, 65, 70. So 170. Okay, next is invest, and invest is getting $20. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100. Okay, and last is gifts, and gifts is getting $20. $1, $200, $20, $40, $60, $80, $300, $10, $25. So we have $325 in gifts. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.